So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a quick impromptu video I want to make and show you guys a solution that I just found out that really works great. So as you can see, I have got this wig on me that I just dyed, well, bleached basically. So I used the blonde bleaching kit to bleach it. And also this one that I'm wearing, I did the same thing to it. So as you can see, pretty much they're not quite the same. I don't know what happened. I have redyed it like 3 times already, but I'm not getting the kind of color that I'm actually sort of like going for. Don't get me wrong, I do like this color, but I feel like it can maybe get a little bit lighter, a bit like this streaky bit where you can see. And also the individual ones that I want to like add to it, not necessarily blonde but lighter. Do you see what I mean? Like I like this color more than I like this one. So one of my friends did this and she used pepper shampoo to tone down the brassiness, and I thought I'm gonna try that. So I wanted to do this video with you guys watching while I try this and see if this actually will work. So basically all I need to do is just to shampoo the hair, the wig, with this pepper shampoo and see how it's gonna work out. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I've got in here is my sink, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin. I'm just gonna wet it up. I had put some conditioner on it yesterday and I didn't wash it up, to be honest. I wanted to leave the conditioner on, but unfortunately I have to remove it. So I've just wet it up and it's actually still washing off. The color is still washing off basically. It might actually wash off without even needing to shampoo it. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these purple shampoo. Right, so I'm gonna run it on the hair. Let's see, especially this side, because I feel like this side did not give me the kind of result that I was going for. So apparently you meant to, oh, that smells really rancid. Oh, massage onto wet hair, leave for 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. So basically it's just a matter of just massaging it onto the hair and leaving it for 5 minutes, which we're just gonna do that. Hopefully that will help us to tone down this orangey looking color and make it look a bit more even. I definitely don't want it blonde. I like ginger hair. I do like ginger hair. As you can see, I'm wearing it. I don't know if that's ginger, if you would call that ginger, but I do like that hair texture or color, if you like. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. That's the color what I've got on my hair now. That's what I'm trying to achieve on this straight wig. So I'm gonna massage it on and I'm gonna leave it on 5 minutes and see. I hope that it works. The magic kind of helped me to tone it down a little bit, or you know, give me the color that I'm seeking for. Am I too fast? I feel like it's already starting to take effect. I feel like I can see results already. Maybe I'm too fast, I don't know. But if this doesn't give me the result I want, I might go ahead and give it another dye. But I'm gonna leave it for a little bit, you know, for it to get to 5 minutes, and then I'll be back and rinse it out. Hopefully it might have, or it would have done something. Maybe lighten it up a little bit, because this is meant to lighten it up. So I will be back. I'm gonna rinse up my hand and I'll be back. Hi guys, it has been over 5 minutes. Yes, I know I'm supposed to leave it on for 5 minutes, but I thought let me leave it for a little bit. Maybe that would help to even make the process even much more effective. But here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off now, if you honestly ask me. So I'm just washing it off. I don't know, because right now I really can't see much differences. Y'all see any differences? No, not really. I mean, yeah, I'm still washing it, but I don't know. So basically, this is the final look. I mean, there's still a bit of shampoo on it. I don't really see any differences between how it was before and how it is now. If there's anything, I feel like it turned it down a lot more. It didn't make it go blonde, but it hasn't made it. I kind of like feel like it made it go darker. Is it supposed to make it go darker? Oh my god, yo, no, I don't know. I don't know what to say, but I don't see any differences. Unfortunately, I'm not happy with this. I'm not satisfied. So no, I don't think this stuff works. It probably works on natural hair, like if it's your natural hair that you're bleaching. Yeah, this might be neutralizes brightness and brightens color in just one wash. It's not doing that for me. The color looks dull. If it's anything, it does not brighten it. I don't see any brightness of the color as I expected. Because honestly, I saw a girl in my class who did it. She used the shampoo, and it kind of like lightened up her hair. Her hair did lighten up when she used the shampoo to neutralize the brassiness, because she thought her hair was kind of orange. But no, I'm not satisfied. It's nothing like this color. It's still very dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and dye it and bleach it again. I'm not happy with the result. I don't think this shampoo does the job. So yeah, it's a no-no for me. It's not doing the job. So anyway, that's about it for now. I am gonna try and bleach the hair again, because it still does not look like this. Can you see the differences? This one is slightly closer to this compared to this. You see the differences are huge differences. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach this. Maybe I can get the result that I want. But yeah, that's it pretty much for now. I will give you an update when I dye it to see if it will improve. But other than that, that's it. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next video. Bye. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-bleach the hair. This is what I was using. This is my developer, and this is my powder. Be Blonde by Jerome Russell, I think. Jerome Russell. And I just got this from my local beauty store. So I'm just gonna use a sachet because I want to kind of like give it a highlight anyway. So I'm gonna prepare this. This is the third time I'm doing this, so I'm mixing it. As you can see, I'm using a toothbrush to mix it. And I've also got my foil, so I'm gonna put it in there when I'm done. So I need my gloves, so I'll be back. So right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start bleaching. So on this side, this is my problem area that I would ideally like to lighten up a little bit more. So to get the umber look, you don't want to make it harsh on the line of the demarcation. You want to kind of like streak it down, so that way you get a bit of harsh color on some bit and like toned down color on the other, because you want that nice gradient of color umber. So I'm going here, definitely avoiding the middle because I don't want to lie in the middle. This is the most important bit. And I'll show you a trick that I use to make sure that the lines are not too harsh. Right, avoid getting it all the way. So I kind of go in with the flyaways, just like this. Not too much because I don't want the black bit to stay, so that it can be my, you know, oh no, putting too much on that. So making sure I'm just going everywhere. Saturate it. I don't want to go on the tip anymore because I've really lightened it up the way I like. But maybe I can just a little touch up. So I've just put it here, and I'm gonna leave it for a little bit so that it can process, and then I'll come and wash it off. And as for the shampoo, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because it didn't really do what I thought it was gonna do. I thought that it's gonna stop me from re-bleaching the hair, but obviously that's not the case. But I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. But yeah, let's just wait for this one to process and we'll take it from there. This is a quick update after I had re-bleached the hair yesterday. I didn't have the time. I had to wait for the hair to dry as well, so I can show you guys the actual result. So here is the result. It is just about improved, not as much. If you remember yesterday, the color was predominantly this side, like a bit like that, but now it has sort of like lightened up a little bit, which I'm not mad at. It's not so bad, but overall I still feel like it's not like what is on my head. My hair currently is still lighter, which I'm still tempted to go back and dye it again, but I don't want to destroy this hair because too much dyeing might just, why do I keep saying dyeing, guys? I meant bleach, okay? Every time I say dye is bleach, not dye. This is not dye, this is bleach. But I'm kind of tempted to go back and re-bleach it once again, but I do not want to damage the hair because I have done this like what, 4 times now, and this is as far as I can go. Bearing in mind this hair was like jet black, literally like jet black, color number 1 when I bought it, but now this is how far it's come. I'm thinking because of the you know, because of how dark it was in the beginning, it might not actually get any lighter. It can't get lighter, honestly. It should be able to get lighter, but maybe that's why it's taking a little bit longer to get lighter. But comparing it to the individual ones that I did prior to this, yeah, it's starting to pretty much come closer, but not as much. But honestly, I'm not mad. I'm happy. If not anything, I might go ahead and just leave it like this because in all honesty, I do like this color. This one was the one that was a little bit too dark for me. That's not what I was sort of like going for, but I could go ahead and, you know, make do with it because it's not so bad. For some reason, the front bit just will not budge, literally. Can you tell? Like that front side, they just wouldn't lighten any further. And I don't know. I think I'll just go ahead and leave it like this because, or maybe I can just, you know, out of nowhere just try it again, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, and then maybe it's when I wear it, if I'm not quite happy with it, then I'll bring it out and I'll go ahead and re-bleach it maybe for the final time, and then I could maybe leave it a little bit longer. But if anybody have any idea or better suggestion of how to actually get the actual color that, you know, that one is looking for, could you possibly kindly put your suggestion in the comment box so that I can maybe take that approach, because I know that I've done it the right way you know, so far, because if I haven't, why did I get this result prior? But if you do have, so please, if you do have any idea, go ahead, please put it on the comment box so that I can take that procedure to see if I can get this result the way I actually do want it. But yeah, that's it pretty much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share, subscribe. I'm gonna do vlogmas. Yes, I do want to do vlogmas. I'm gonna start on Saturday or Sunday when I do my Christmas decorations. So if you're interested to watch what's gonna happen, subscribe, stay tuned, and you know, get on with it. Let's have fun. It's Christmas, so yay, why not? But yeah, enough of my carrying on. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.